All right, it's 8:33 p.m. July 28th, 2023. And the severe thunderstorm warning is going off. But look at these clouds. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this. I would need to look at the radar because you know how you see the radars and they have the circle thing, like harp waves. That's what this looks like. Man, is it oppressive out here. It's still in the 90s, but it feels like over 100. Just a little while ago, the heat index was 109. And last time I checked, it was 107. Look at these clouds. Look at these clouds. Different. To me, I don't think these look like storm clouds. But it looks like they're messing with the clouds. They're manipulating the clouds. Over here, like nothing. This is a weird. It says this thing has 80-mile-an-hour winds. I don't see any wind at all. It's totally still. Look at these trees. Totally still. I don't feel even a slightest of breeze. But look at these clouds. I wonder if I can get a better view if I go over here more. Yeah, these clouds look manipulated. These do not look like storm clouds at all. Off in the distance, there's some clouds way over there. Maybe that's where the storm is. I don't know. But these clouds do not look like they could even produce rain. I don't know how well this is coming out. Hold on a second. It's hard to breathe. It's really oppressive heat. Humidity is terrible. These clouds totally look manipulated to me. Looks like a face right there. Eye. Even like a nose and then a mustache even. And then the mouth right below. Alright, I guess that's it. Oh, I think I saw some lightning off in the distance. So it must be in a different part of the county where the main stuff is.
Who was out here that she was barking at?
I don't know. Look at those weird clouds. See how they circle around? It's hard.
It's not even raining yet. Let's wait till it starts storming. Come on.
Alright. So there's nothing really else going on anyway. But I think off in the distance there is where the storm is. So it's not here yet. If anything else happens, I will be sure to come out. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless.